think I do 3. So this is what I got from IKEA. A lot of things, quite a number of things, and I'll let you know what I got when I get home. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you can see all the things I went to get from IKEA. Bye, see you in the next one. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So if you remember the previous video when I showed you the kitchen on screen, I don't know if you remember, but yes, I mentioned to you I was going to go to IKEA to get a few stuff for the kitchen. I have some stuff from the previous apartment, but not as much as I would like for this new kitchen and this big kitchen, right? So, ta-da! My IKEA haul for my kitchen. Yes, it's quite a lot of stuff, but we're going to go through everything together. I want to share with you everything I got for the kitchen, okay? So, first thing are these silicone hand gloves. Yeah, I really love them because I think this is easy to take care of. When it gets dirty, you just wash it with soap, rinse them in the tap, and then within a few seconds or minutes, it's dry. Compared to the previous one that has the fabric and the wool. So this is what I got. I got 2 of them. So yeah, obviously 2 hands, so 2 gloves. Yes. And so yeah, I put this here so we know we are moving forward. And I got. Yeah. So hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So remember the previous video, I said I had a new big kitchen, so I wanted to go get some stuff from IKEA to, you know, organize the kitchen and make it look, yes. So not that I don't have kitchen stuff, I do have from the previous apartment, but because the previous apartment was quite small, I still need some more things to, you know, match up to this beauty and this huge kitchen. So let's get into it. My IKEA haul. I know it's quite a lot of things, but trust me, everyone I picked really makes sense to me. Yes, my husband was like, oh, you don't need that, you don't need that. So rule number 1, never go kitchen shopping with your husband. Good. So let's get into the stuff and then I show you things that I got from IKEA. So first things, I got these silicone gloves. It's called the Viva, and I felt they are really cool because they are silicone. It'll be easy to take care of because usually with the traditional ones, you know, the one that has the fabric and the wool, when it gets dirty you usually have to wash it and then it takes a long time to wash. But I think with these ones, you just rinse with soap, water, within a few minutes it's dry. So I got these. Then I got this pizza cutter. Never owned one in my life, so I decided to just get one. I also got a couple of stuff for cooking ladles. Different ones. Yeah, so these are the ones I got, and I really liked it because of the wooden handle. It gives you some sort of chic look, you know, that will match with my beautiful kitchen here. So I got a couple of them. I got one, I don't know what their real names are, but one that is perforated, they're like a soup ladle. I don't know what this is for, so if you know in the comment, if you know, please tell me in the comment section. I just picked it because it looked nice. Don't say I'm crazy. And I just got a thong here, and I got a grater that also has a wooden handle. So that's about that. And I also got this swivel thing. I don't know if you can see. I put this down so you don't confuse. So this thing, and it has this swivel thing, and I felt it's really practical for my dining table. So what I plan on doing with this is to put my salt and pepper stuff on here, put a plant here, and also put this beautiful serviette thing I got from IKEA. So here, salt and pepper and a plant. I mean, after the decoration, I'll show you guys what the kitchen looks like after I've put everything in there. This video is basically showing what I got from IKEA. And I got this baking tray too. It has a rack, which I like. Obviously the oven has a rack and a tray, but I feel like with this, it will make my oven less dirty and less wet, because cleaning the oven is much tougher and difficult than cleaning just this pan. So if I want to make a chicken, if I want to grill, can put vegetables under, potatoes, and easy. After emptying it, I just wash it in the tap, under the tap, and that's it. Or I even have to check if it's dishwasher safe. It doesn't say here, but I'll check and see. Then let's wait. So next thing are these organizational things for the cabinets. I think I've been seeing it a lot on social media, TikTok, Facebook, everything, to separate your plates, bowls, cups, whatever. It's just an organizer, and I got 2 of them because I have a lot of stuff like ceramic stuff, glass stuff, and because I want them to stay long, I want to separate the plates, separate the side plates, dessert bowls, and everything, so they can last longer. So I just decided to get 2 of these. And then I got these really important film. It's called Verira. I don't know if you can see from here. So Verira, this is it. I think, yeah. So I got a couple of them. I got, I think, 5 or 6 of them, because I want to line all the cupboards and then all the drawers, just to protect the base of the cabinets and then the bottom of the cupboard, so it lasts longer, and it's also not trap dirt, and to make cleaning easy. So I'm going to line everything up here before I start arranging my stuff. Then I got this dish cloth, or is it a dish rack cloth, whichever. But you understand what I want to use it for. So sometimes if I'm cooking, just 1 or 2 stuff, I just want to wash with my hands under the tap. I just put that by the sink. After washing, I just put the stuff on it, so it can, the water from the plates or cups or whatever I wash can just drain onto this. So I got 1. And then I also got these spice racks. I have a lot of spices. I know the Africans will understand. We have a lot of spices, natural spices. So I got 3 of them, and yeah, my spices are going to take up 1 whole drawer. I have a lot, so 3 of them for spices. And I also got these nice frames from IKEA. I want to do something with it for the bathrooms, so I'm yet to decide what to put in, but I don't know, just a decorative statement for the bathroom. So next, I also got these bar clippers. If you open your chips, your cereal, your stuff, just to make them feel fresh, so need to close them airtight. So I got these ones. Yeah, I think I only got 2 or 3 of them, because of the kids, we have a lot of cereal, a lot of stuff that needs like the bags being airtight, so 2 of them. And then I also got these things for tea for covering your drinks, and it also serves as a, what do you call those things, like a coaster. So let me open it for you to see. Oops. I got it. So this is it. If you turn it this way, you can easily put, let me get a glass in it like that, so it serves as a coaster, and on this side you can just cover your drink with. So I just got 2, because I'm not really sure if we need it as much as I think we do, but I just got it just in case. So 2 of that. I also got this one, which is for hot stuff, teacups, and yeah, it's also 2. So this is what it looks like. with a tea in it and the teacup in it. So that's about that. And I also got these. What are these?
Mat for hot pan.